Must-see 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, 1 half bath, with bonus room. Built in 2003 by KB Homes, original owners, Polk County, Mulberry Preserve at Sundance, 2,822 square feet, 7,741 square feet lot, 2-car garage with side door, large fenced backyard with patio, sliding glass doors, covered front door with patio. Beautiful community, move-in ready like new. Home was updated November 2021, completely painted inside and out, new flooring, kitchen, and bathrooms all updated. The interior floor plan takes advantage of open spaces. The big and bright living room makes a great central space for you and your guests. Lots of natural light make cooking enjoyable in the kitchen, along with spacious countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an adjacent breakfast nook. The master suite includes a generous walk-in closet. Secondary bedrooms offer additional space to serve as a guest room, home gym, or office space. Located near many restaurants, retailers, and major roadways, all a 10-minute drive away or less.